What happened to your arm? Do you even lift? You don't lift, you need? Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're going to be making marshmallow fondant. These are some of the things that you will need to make your own fondant from home. Now, we're going to be doing it like live status just because a lot of people didn't like the voiceover. Yeah, so let's try this.
You guys couldn't really hear me, that's why. Alright, so we need 2 bags of marshmallows. They are 10 ounces each. I get them at Walmart. And then 2 bags of sugar. You guys can get the Walmart brand or this brand, doesn't matter. But they are 2 pounds each. And here we have our sifter, our bowl for the marshmallows, and a big spoon.
Alright, so let's get started.
Alright, so we're going to begin by sifting the sugar. You always have to sift your sugar. If you don't sift it, you're going to get balls on your fondant, and it's just going to make it real hard for you to just work with it. Alright.
Now, is there any special technique like to sifting the sugar, or literally like how many times you have to go over it, or just once?
Just once. That way you can get the most balls you can. You see those little rocks?
Oh wow, yeah.
You don't want that on your fondant. You might not need all the sugar, but you just want to have it all ready, just so that you don't have to be sifting like during the whole process. Alright, so now we're going to put the marshmallows in the bowl. Oops. Alright. Yeah, I didn't use all of them. I just bought like a couple left. But you just want to have your bowl kind of full, you know. And then you want to add a fourth cup of water. So you put it in the microwave. I put 10 minutes. Oh, I'm gonna put 10 minutes. It's not gonna be 10 minutes the whole time. You're just gonna have to take it out after every minute or so that way you can stir it. Alright, so you just want to stir it up a little bit. So that all the marshmallows get wet.
We still don't have a ring light, guys, so bear with us. Our lighting's not the best.
We'll get there. Alright, so see how they're all kind of wet?
Yeah.
You want to put it back in there for another minute or so. It's already been in there for like 2 minutes already. You do have to be careful because if you do overheat it, you will mess up the whole batch. And you have to start all over again. See how they're already getting kind of fluffy.
Oh, okay, that looks nice.
So put it in for another minute. All right. See how it's kind of like fluffed up more. All right, you see how there's no bumps on it? That's when like all the marshmallows are all melted. Check it out. Smooth. See that?
Okay, perfect.
That's when you know it's ready. Cool. So now we add a little bit at a time. You don't want to add a lot because then it's just gonna get hard. And then you just stir it. It's really messy, but it's worth it.
Yeah, definitely is. So basically this type of fondant tastes way better than any store-bought fondant.
Any store-bought fondant that we tasted. So.
Yeah. And it just, you're able to work with it better. It's more like flexible. Would you say flexible?
Yeah, it's more like it stretches better. It won't crack on you that fast like other ones.
And it doesn't taste like Play-Doh, guys. It tastes so good. A lot of people don't like fondant because they haven't tasted our fondant.
Yep.
And this could be your fondant too. Now, like store-bought fondants, they're pretty expensive, right?
Oh yeah, they're like
I think for like a very small pack.
I think it's for like 5 pounds, like $30 or something like that.
We're not sure on the store-bought prices. We've never really bought any fondant. He's always made his own. But think about it. This is like 2 pounds of fondant, you would say?
I think it's gonna be probably about, I would say about 5 pounds.
About 5 pounds of fondant, and you're literally the marshmallows are 97 cents at Walmart, and the sugar is about $2 each bag. So to make a 5-pound batch, you're basically gonna be spending $6.
$6, yeah.
And that's, I mean, you cannot beat that. It tastes amazing. It looks amazing. You'll see.
You'll see right now. Right now it looks weird, but it's gonna look beautiful. Just try not to mix it too fast, because then all the sugar goes everywhere.
We'll see if Chava records me fucking cleaning the mess. Just kidding, guys.
See how I'm adding little by little?
So his little sugar pile is going down little by little. Are you trying to get like a thick consistency?
I'm trying to get it for that the marshmallow won't get stuck to the bowl anymore. Once it doesn't get stuck to the bowl, and that means it's ready. But you can see that it's still getting stuck, you know?
Yeah.
This takes a good arm, so just be ready for it. My arm is already hurting a lot.
Yeah, I tried to like stir it before so I can help, but yeah, no.
This is better than the gym.
Please go to the gym still. Just kidding.
That's messed up. Alright, so I just need a little bit more. It already kind of looks good. See, it's already getting like not stuck to the bowl.
zoom into it here.
So you put it on your sugar, take it off, and then you just start kneading it.
Nice.
See that? Just keep kneading it. Keep kneading it until it's not sticky anymore. Check it out. Watch. And it's ready. See that?
Wow, it's really, really nice.
Check it out.
And basically this fondant you can use pretty much for anything, right? For decoration, color it any color.
You can dye it any color. You can use it just like this. You don't even have to wait a day. You can use it the same day. You just wait for like an hour. And if it's hard, just throw it in the microwave for a couple seconds and it'll soften up it'll soften up again.
Alright, so like they can use it, like they don't have to use it today, right? They can save it?
They can save it. I mean, the longest I've saved it for is a week. And it's still great.
As long as it's covered in plastic, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Check it out. I mean, you could just store it in the same bag. I usually just store it in the same bag. There it is. Dang.
Nice.
That's a huge batch. That's a huge batch.
Good job. Thank you so much for teaching us how to make marshmallow fondant.
Hope you guys like it. I hope you guys learned.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep a lookout for tomorrow. We will be posting another video.
We're going to be teaching you guys how to crumb coat a cake. And we're going to be
making it sharp.
We're going to be sharpening the fuck out of it.
And thank you guys. Once again, please like, comment, subscribe. Tell your friends about our channel.
Tell your mom, your grandma, your uncle.
Your tia. Bye.
Clean that shit.
Just kidding, guys. I made him clean it. A ver los muscles.
Look at that. That's all from kneading, baby.
Please put lotion on.
Oh, that's fucked up.